Welcome back to this video, guys. Today we're going to be replacing the spark plugs on a 2010 Z Chrysler 300 Touring. First you need to start with these are 10 millimeters. The bolts here are 10 millimeters. So we're going to remove, we have 6 of them to remove. So we'll remove all 6, then we'll remove the ignition coils, or we can also remove them one by one as we go. Let's do this. Okay, so we have all 6 right here. You want to put them somewhere where you can't lose them. So just wiggle it a little bit and go. Good, I have no oil or anything on the tip of mine, so that is a very good sign. Free, but I'll check on that. Kind of have a different tip on that one, so probably that's the reason. The rest of them is black. Probably at some point that fell off and I replaced it with a white one, but we'll figure it out. So now we need to remove the spark plugs. So we need to get that spark plug socket, and then just wanna put it down in that hole. Put it right here. Goes on a different. Once you do that, it's easy 1, 3 from there. I like to do them one by one and just get it out of the way. Like boom, get this out, put right here. Those are definitely not in good shape. Once it pull right here for me, I could just release this right here and just use the tip. And this is gonna be making a lot of clipping noise, so it sounds like something's wrong. You can just take it out your way like that. Yeah, but it's good. Okay, so remove that one. Then do the same thing again. Just keep repeating the process. So there you go, the last one. All right, so right away we're gonna get the new spark plug to put in our 2010 Chrysler. Yes, guys, I ordered these off Amazon. It's a pack of 6. They're recommended for the Chrysler 300. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Yeah, there's a number right there in the back, right here. So if you're seeing it, guys, that's the name. That's so I'll put either a part number or the link to the order in the description. So let's get on with it. Let's start installing these spark plugs. So compared to the old one, and these, like, wow, like, this is crazy. I mean, compare how these look. See, it's a difference. It's like I don't know if it's an upgrade, but I need to get back some NGKs because I like the performance. And I don't know if these give the same type of performance. I don't know, but I will definitely let you guys know after I replace them. What's the verdict? Let's go. First one. So guys, you don't need to go all crazy with the tightening on these. Like, not that serious. As long as you snug it in there, like, snug enough. You know what I mean? So just keep repeating the process here. And see, that's why I use my fingers. And do this, it takes forever. That's crazy. Okay. I don't know why that feels so slack, but okay. Okay, guys, that's done. Now we need to go ahead and replace, well, not replace, now install, reinstall our ignition coils, our coil packs. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and finish installing these three first before we move forward. Clear up right here real quick. Yeah. I like doing everything by hand when it comes to the top of the engine, stuff like that. I don't really like using the power tool. I used it on the intake manifold. That's kind of different, but I don't like being on the top of the engine. Like this is like too close. It's like so. I like playing it safe right here. So just go by hand, man. You don't need to rush. You.